Hello, today we're going to do a quick review of requesting access to brands. We've had a lot of new retailers join our site and we want to give you a quick review. So as you see, I am logged on to repspark.com and I'm going to click the login button. And I am already a approved retailer to the RepSpark platform. So all I have to do is log in. If you are not a customer yet, you can click the sign up here button. But for today's lesson, I'm going to quickly sign in as a buyer. And I am immediately directed to my dashboard. So we call this our retailer dashboard. And I see all of the orders that I have placed on the RepSpark platform, platform-wide. So many different brands that I'm shopping, and I can see all of the status from valid, submitted, draft, and I can review all of my orders here. But today we're going to be reviewing how to connect with brands. So from the dashboard, you have the opportunity to connect with brands. All you do is click the connect button. If it says shop, this means you are already an approved buyer. So that is the great thing about this. So you can basically from any page request access. So I'm going to click over to our main page. So I clicked the big RepSpark and now I see our two featured brands. I can shop new brands as well as trending brands and recommended brands. So all I have to do is click connect and send a request. So the brand has received my request and they should get back to you within 1 week. So it is a very, very simple process. And now you see it went from blue connect to pending. So I am now waiting on Skytrack to approve me as a customer. Versus Heike right here, I'm already approved. So it is orange and I can click directly in. So now if I want to review in one place all the brands that I have either requested, been approved, I'm going to click my brands. And you see these are all of the brands that have already approved me to shop, as well as when I go all the way to the bottom, pending brands. So these are brands that I have requested and have not yet approved me. So if you would like to send them a reminder, you can by quickly clicking the send reminder button. And you can just review all the brands that you have requested. So this was the one I recently requested. It is down at the bottom, and the other ones are older brands that I have requested. So this is just a quick overview of our community. We always encourage our retailers to explore, to connect with new brands. And if you're looking for more information, you can click the button on the side right here, and each brand usually will give you some direct contact, tell you a little bit about the brand, have a sample catalog, and then you can connect as well down here. So enjoy your shopping on RepSpark.